Hi there, this is Mira Freewa at visaplace.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about some recent and important changes that have been made to the work permit application process, specifically Labor Market Impact Assessment, or LMIA. The LMIA has come and replaced the LMO, Labor Market Opinion, and this is one of the first steps in the work permit approval process. In order to have a valid work permit issued, we must first go and obtain a positive LMIA. Now, there are some key points to keep in mind when going to submit the LMIA. One being, as a Canadian employer, you would need to see if you are eligible and or qualified to apply. Now, once this has been determined that a foreign national can in fact be hired by this Canadian employer, the National Occupational Classification Code, or NOC code, needs to be assessed to further supplement the application and basically show the tasks and duties that need to be fulfilled. Now, as a minimum requirement for this LMIA, there's a few things that need to be outlined. One of them being that this position that is being offered to the foreign worker was firstly made available to the Canadian worker as it had been advertised for at least 1 month in 3 various sources. One of those sources could be online, another one could possibly be in an ad in a newspaper. Now, another thing that needs to be outlined and demonstrated in the LMIA is that there is in fact a need for this foreign national to fill this position. Also, you would need to go and demonstrate that by hiring this foreign national, it is not going to have a negative impact on Canada's labor market. Now, the next step would be the job offer from the employer. And this would basically state that the position being offered is for full-time permanent paid work. And once you go and you get your positive LMIA, you are then able to go and apply for the work permit through the Express Entry program. Now, the LMIA does have its challenges, some of them being the amount of time and work that go into its completion. Unfortunately, this could sometimes deter an employer from wanting to participate in hiring foreign nationals altogether. Now, this is technically complex, and it is a process. Therefore, there is room for error if it is not completed properly. Now, if you would like to go and find out more information about the LMIAs and how we here can help you, do call and book your consultation today. If you like this video, please also click the like button and do visit us at our website, www.visaplace.com. I'd like to thank you for watching. Take care.